Hey there, glad to interact with you once again. Do you want to know more about AceAim's Agile Delivery Training? Here are a few things that set us apart. Our experts have devised a holistic training methodology using their immense industry experience such that you understand the root of common problems and mistakes that Scrum Masters usually make. We want you to implement the Scrum framework as effectively and as efficiently as possible. Using our experience, we have identified top 4 mistakes that Scrum Masters usually make. First of all, they think that they are project managers and try to implement Scrum using a traditional project manager's mindset. Secondly, they try to run Scrum for very large teams. Point number 3, they try to go speedily without direction. And point number 4, they eliminate documentation, thinking that this is what Agile tells them to do so. We at AceAim provide you with a solid ScrumMaster Certification exam preparation, and with that also make sure that you don't repeat these common mistakes in your Agile journey. We use our experience to teach you the most practical manner of implementing Scrum. So why wait? Register now to our free webinar by clicking on the registration button below. Join this webinar and learn more about our Agile Delivery Training and to register to our Agile Delivery Program. Let's all lead into the future.